JFW, South India's leading women's magazine. Now read at your convenience. To subscribe to your e-copy, log on to emag.jfwonline.com.
Now another thing that May Party is famous for is this book, the Chettinad cookbook, which she has jointly put together and published with her sister. Being a Chettiar, you can take for granted that she is an amazing cook. The Chettinad cuisine is perhaps one of the richest in Tamil Nadu, and Party is one of the greatest upholders of it. And today, she's going to be cooking for us. Alright, so the dish that May Party is going to do for us today is the mutton chops. Now this is gingerly oil, and I'm using about one fourth of a cup. I think that should be enough. So I'm going to add the masala, the ground masala. This is the wet masala which we have ground in the mixie. So I have quarter kilo, so I will add accordingly. So I have ground a little more. There it is, nice and sizzling over that hot oil. Yes. Yeah, definitely hits you in across all senses, I must say. Yes. So now I'm going to add the chops into the masala, and they must get completely coated. Okay. You need to toss them a little at a time because the masala will not spread onto all the chops, and we need to do that. You need to get meat with a little bit of a bone in it. You see, the bone also adds flavor, and typically in Chettinad they call it the kai pudi chops only because it's got that handle like bone. Okay, so that's important. It gives flavor also. So this is it. So I'm going to add a little salt for the meat now. Okay, just a little bit. We can always add more salt at the end, but too much salt will spoil the food. Now I'm adding half a cup of water. Now I'm going to shift this to a pressure cooker and pressure cook it for about 5 to 6 whistles. Sometimes if the meat is tough, you may have to give it a couple more whistles. It doesn't matter, you can close it back again and put it back on the pressure fire. Until the meat is tender, your chops will not be good. So be patient, let the meat cook. Alright, so the mutton chops have come out of the pressure cooker. They're cooked and ready to be fried. Now I would like to show the mutton chops. See, now the masala is clinging to the chops. Now that's very important because when you dip it in the egg, otherwise your masala will run away. Okay? Heat the kadai and pour oil, gingerly oil. In fact, if you use 2 cups of oil, it makes your job easier. This is an egg. Okay? We've beaten an egg to dip the chops in. I have to put in some turmeric. There you go. Okay? That's just to enhance the flavors, right? Yeah, take away that raw smell. Okay. And I need a little salt in it. A pinch of salt? So salt, yeah. A little bit of salt. I'm going to mix it together. Okay, we are ready. Yolk. In the egg, it's a full egg actually. Give it a nice little you have to coat it completely, yes. So don't, I've used a small bowl, use a larger bowl. And I can hear the faint sizzling. Yes. Meat.
joining Party May for lunch today with my mouth-watering mutton chops. You go off and join me again next time. Another party, another kitchen.